Crafty-ria.
Hello, it's Crafty-ria, and welcome to another video. I'm so glad you're joining me today. Today I have an unboxing from Craspire. They're an awesome online company that sells lots of really cool craft supplies. And they have graciously allowed me to go on their website and choose some items and then bring them to you in exchange for some videos. This one and then 2 tutorial videos. They're going to be fun, so you'll want to stick around for that. They did send me a coupon code, and it is Maria5. That'll give you $5 off of your $40 purchase. And then I also have another coupon code, my affiliate coupon code, Crafty-ria3, and that gives you $3 off of your order. So you can use either one of those. I'll put them both in the description box below. If you do shop with them, please do use my coupon code so they know that I sent you. Anyway, let's get started. I ordered some really cool things. The first thing I ordered was this set of 40 craft envelopes. And these envelopes measure, when folded, 7 7/8 by 4 3/4. And they have this little flap on the back. And they have like little writing on it, sort of, that you can't really read. I thought this was really pretty to make a junk journal with, or also to use to cut out punches and different things like that. And there are 40 of these envelopes, and at the time of this video, they were $4.59 for this whole pack of envelopes. And I will put links to everything in the description box below. The next thing that I ordered were these adorable sloth dies. This set of dies, I'll show you on this background paper. You can see it has a tree branch, and then it has the little sloth that will hang upside down. You have this little piece, I think, to add to the legs, and this cute little face that embosses the mouth right there. So cute. And then, of course, you have some flowers and leaves. I cannot wait to make a project using these sloth dies. On one of our cruises, we went to Roatan, and we went to a place where you can hold a sloth. And that is my Facebook profile picture, is me holding a sloth. Greatest thing ever. They are adorable, so I could not resist these. And this set of dies, guess how much they are? Let me just think about it right now. Think of what you would pay for this set of dies, and I'll tell you how much it cost. You're not going to believe me. $1.59. I couldn't believe it. $1.59 for this whole set of dies. Awesome. And then the next thing I got is also really awesome. It is this tag punch, and it is a tag punch that makes 3 sizes of tags, no matter how long your piece of paper is. Let me take it out of the box so I can kind of show you how it works. It has these 3 grooves here, and the center one is for 1.5 inches. The second one is 2 inches, and the widest one is 2.5 inches. And you can see how it punches the shape and the hole. I happen to have this scrap of paper on my desk, so let's go ahead and try it. And you just line it up in there. You'll want to center it as best as you can between those 2 lines. And you just punch and you take it out, and there you have your hole punched. And it even embosses, it looks like a little, paper reinforcing circle there. So that is really cool. And then there's your scraps on the back. And it doesn't matter how long your piece of paper is, you could cut out your tag and make it any size you want. You can even flip it over and cut the other side and use this like as a label. So that's really cool if you want to label boxes or different things. So that makes that quite versatile. Great punch. I can see me getting a lot of use out of this punch. It is very well made. It is heavy duty. And this was, at the time of this video, it was $14.09. So that is a great deal because you are getting 3 punches in one. Then the next awesome deal I got, I love this, is this box. Well, what's in the box? This is called the Gold Medal, the Luminous Tape, but it is a bunch of washi tapes. And there are 5 sets of these rolls of the sparkly washi tape. And there's not a whole lot of tape on each roll, as you can see. But that's enough to do quite a bit of crafting with. I use the glitter washi tapes a lot. If you watch my Monday night live show, I use them almost every single live show. And I use them instead of using ribbon on a card. They work great. This whole box of washi, again, you're not going to believe it, was $4.69. As of the date of this video, it is January 30th, 2023. So they may change their prices, but I do want to give you the prices that they are right now as I'm filming this. Awesome. And this is great. You can, I'll make it this way because my OCD will drive me crazy. You can share it with a friend, give it as a gift, whatever you like. And I think it's meant to be used like in a store display because there, that piece goes up like that. So maybe I should open my own scrapbook store and I'll have it my first thing to put on a shelf. I have so many scrapbook supplies. I could open up a store. Now, the next 2 things are no longer on the website. They must have sold out by the time, between the time I picked them and the time of this video. But I'll show you what they are anyway, because they do have some items that are similar. These are invitation envelopes, and there are plenty of envelopes on their website to pick from. But I thought these were great since I do make a lot of cards, and I do make larger cards like these. And these measure 7 3/4 by 5 3/8. And they come with these gold stickers that say invitation. And they come in several colors, as you can see here. We have just the plain, regular white ones. And we have more stickers. Then we have this craft paper ones. And this is a very heavy-duty craft paper. This would make a great envelope journal. I mean, this is nice and thick. I don't know if you can see, but it is very good quality. Let me see how thick the white ones are. The white ones are a little thicker than a regular envelope, kind of what you would find on an invitation, like a wedding invitation envelope. They're pretty good quality. And again, these are much thicker, the craft ones. And we have more stickers. Then we have the red ones, which again is a nice thick paper. And the red are great because I make a lot of recycled Christmas cards, and these will definitely come in handy. And we have even more stickers. What I love about this pack are these blue ones. There we go. The camera's picking it up. They are sparkly, not like loose glitter. They're just kind of a shimmery sparkle, and they are matte inside, and they're just gorgeous. I love these blue envelopes. You can see that sparkle. Love those. More of those, and then more white ones. Oh, actually, these are probably more of a gray. You can see the two different colors of white. This is a very, very pale grayish white, and this is more of a regular white. And there, I'm not sure how many envelopes is in this pack, and I don't remember the price of them when I chose them. They do have some other envelope packs on their website that are similar to these. You could just search envelope in their search bar and come up with all kinds of envelopes. And these are cool because they have the invitation stickers. And I can always put them somewhere, the stickers, if I ever do make invitations for anything. And then the last item that I picked, and again, these are not on the website. They may be temporarily out. If they are back at the time of me editing this, of course, I'll put the links in the description. These are glue dots. And they are for, Craspire primarily has the wax seals, or that's at least how they started. And I think these are glue dots meant to adhere the wax seals to your projects. I got them to use just on general craft products because they're huge. They are almost an inch in diameter, and you get quite a few. And again, like I said, if they come back on the website, I will put a link. There's quite a few sheets of these, and I'm pretty sure they were quite inexpensive, and they do feel pretty thick. The adhesive seems to be pretty thick. You could probably see on here how high they come up off of the paper. These would work great when you want to adhere a wax seal that you made that is not made onto the paper where it would stick. I usually make mine on a ceramic tile or on a piece of parchment paper or wax paper, so that way they don't stick, and then I save them and then I stick them on my projects. This is perfect for that, or even large buttons or anything like that. And like I said, if these do come back in stock, I will put the links in the description box below. Well, there we have it. There is my Craspire haul. I will be putting out 2 more videos in the near future using some of these products in projects. That's hard to say. Okay, and so if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please click on that subscribe button down there and then click on the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. If you like to see recycled crafts, recycled cards, and that sort of thing, you'll want to come along for the ride. I do a ton of that. Also, if you found this video enjoyable, please do click on the thumbs up button. That helps to promote it in YouTube so more people can find my videos. And then if you'd like to chat with a bunch of awesome crafters, head on over to my Facebook group, Create with Crafteria. It is an awesome group of crafters, and we all share our work over there. Great place to hang out. Don't forget to check out Craspire. I will put all of the links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.